It's hard to take it out.
Hi guys, good day. Today we are going to try this Help for Cleanup Mask. I see this everywhere. I see this on YouTube with a lot of these beauty gurus. They try this. I see it on Pinterest. I see it on Facebook. So today we are going to try it both. So Ian and I were going to try it. And before anything else, it says over here that we need to wash our face first.
Okay, let's wash our face. All done.
Alright, so we are back. We already cleaned our faces and I think we're ready to put this on. He said like, okay, let's just put it on for 15 minutes. So we'll put it on, wait for 15 minutes till it dries up, and then we can start peeling it off.
Oh man, wow. How it smells? Ew.
It smells like glue.
Maybe it is that like the glue master.
You first? Okay, here.
Oh wow.
Ooh.
Is this the black one?
Ah, look, is that white?
So how? Just put like that? Hmm?
How does it feel putting it on?
It's like nasty stuff in your face.
It's like on a watery side. Oh, it feels cold when you apply it on.
Alexa, time 15 minutes.
Not yet. Alexa, stop.
15 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, stop.
You have to time 15 minutes, like.
When it's like, it's almost dry though.
Yeah, you have to hurry up though.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric waving when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up, no ceiling, we're in our zone.
So this is how it looks like. It feels like
It's cold.
it's cold
Okay.
on your face. All done?
Are you done though?
Yeah. Why you put your hair?
I know. Can you remove that, please?
No, it's thick already. It's like booger in your face. Oh man,
Alright, so-
I cannot smile.
That's how. Okay. So this is it. Oh my God! You put way too much.
No, I want to take
You
all
need
my
it.
pimples.
You need it though because you know your face.
So mean.
Your face sounds
Like
familiar.
Alright.
Okay. I'll rap. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my God.
Is that 1, 2, 3, go?
I don't know how to.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, Alexa, set the timer to 15 minutes, please.
Second timer, 15 minutes, starting now.
No, Alexa, no. Delete the first 15 minutes timer.
You have 2 active timers set for that time. Visit your Alexa app to cancel one of them.
In the phone. Anyway, we'll just watch the thing. She's not doing her job. So 26, let's say 46. Okay? 10 minutes.
What do you mean? So 10, so 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. 41.
Okay. Alright guys. See ya
See you
in
later.
15 minutes.
This Help Pore Cleanup Mask is a perfect product to clean pores and remove impurities. It contains 4% charcoal that can help to clean pores, remove impurities and skin metabolites with strong adsorb effect, and leave shrink perfect clean skin. Elazaveka Help Pore Cleanup Mask contains licensed fermentation ingredients that make the easy, effective pore cleanup product.
I feel like I cannot talk. Waiting for 15 minutes. Cannot talk at this thing. This sucks. 15 minutes already, guys.
We're back. And look at my face. Oh my God.
I cannot smile. I cannot laugh.
You know, Ian was so serious. I'm trying to make him laugh, and he's like, "Don't look at me."
This one is cool.
Okay, start peeling it off. Okay,
How?
so no, first, how does it feel?
Oh, it's like it feels like your face. You put cement on your face.
Oh really?
You know, yung nasubsob ka ba? Don't smile, cause it wouldn't work if you laugh. You know.
Okay, let's start peeling it off. This is crazy.
How?
I don't know.
I hope if it's like.
Oh my
I
god.
hope it has like a peel of.
Oh, look at that. Oh crap, sakit. Oh shucks.
Cannot feel.
Oh my god, look at this.
Oh man.
It's just starting.
It's hard.
No,
to
I think you have to do it this way.
Yes. It's refreshing feeling this.
You're
off.
not supposed to peel it off one by one.
Ah.
Oh my god.
You have to.
You look like the one in Walking Dead.
Smells like vinegar too.
Hard to take it off with hair.
It's hard to take it out.
You know what? It's so satisfying taking it out. Hi, we're back. So we're done peeling off our skin, and right now it feels like it's really soft, but it was such a challenge taking it out. We were taking it out the wrong way, so we're just peeling it off everywhere.
Either way,
You know,
should be like one
yeah,
side.
we should have, yeah. But mine's was hard because I put on my eyebrows and on my here, and I have like little hairs over here, and it's it's painful. But right now, it's so soft. So like a baby.
I feel like my skin was damaged.
Oh my god, where's your face?
Oh, this is my face.
So that's it for this video, and again, we just tried the Hell Pore Cleanup Mask.
It's not focused.
I'm sorry. See you guys next time. Bye. So we're gonna call this Ode and Ian Tries.
Okay, this segment is dedicated or sponsored by Canon G7X Mark II.
This is not sponsored at all.
And the camera is not focusing well. Okay?
There.
There you go. It's not focusing well because of the lights.
Yeah. So,
So,
see you guys next time.
bye.
Bye. I wanna read kung unsay nakabutang.
Hello, it's Chinese or Japanese.
No,
How
no,
can you read? Oh my god, it's so dirty.
Ano? Gusto mo na ako yung video. I-background siya ba? That.
Okay, bye.